equal sign. This value is equal to the value here. Right? Okay? So basically you give the mean value result to this table.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I prefer to do it in this way. The reason is if you do it this way, you see, click the cell. It shows that it comes from sheet 1, B25, right? So if later you need to change the data here, the change will be made automatically here, okay? The change will be made automatically on the table.
Can you do it again?
Now basically, if you want to assign the value to the value you have on sheet 1, you just click the equal sign. Then you go back to your sheet 1, click the value you want to assign, then click the enter. Okay?
Yes.
Then this will the value you have previously calculated. So similarly for all the mean value, all the mean deviation value, all the standard deviation value and COV value. So all these value actually already calculated in the sheet 1 table. Okay? We get all the value already. We just need to assign to this summary table. Okay? After you summary the result, this table, okay, you are going to do some more calculation in the table here, which is the table 4 on your handout. Okay? So the x here means the mean value you calculate. So let me go back to the original value, okay? These are some dummy data, okay? Dummy data we have, let's say we already assigned all the values. So you need to put all the mean value to here. Let's say you put the mean value of both 1 to here, okay? Equal to this. And for the both 2, the mean value is equal to this. For both 3, the mean value is equal to this. Okay? Let's go through more steps. Okay. So the point is that we need to calculate
the sum.
We need to compare across different boats. Okay. Initially we just compare within one boat, but now we need to compare across different boats to see how different for these 5 boats, because these 5 boats supposed to be the same. Because actually we take, like the paper, we take 5 papers, but these 5 papers should be exactly the same. So in the experiment, actually although we take 5 boats, but these 5 boats are, when they manufacturing, they made in a way that with the same dimension. So this table is to compare across the 5 boats. That's why we need to take the mean value for these 5 boats. Yes?
So is this homework or is this for the lab?
This for lab, pre-lab report.
So we doing all this when we come back in the next class meeting?
No, we gotta have it done by then.
I'm trying to explain how can you get the table done here. Okay? Then I'm going to go through the detail of the lab format. Okay? Very quick lab format. But we need to know how to calculate this first. Okay? So the whole point.
Should be XM or
XN, right? Yeah, XN.
X is the mean.
XN. So this is mean.
Yeah,
The mean
XN.
value for the 5 volts. Okay? The template should be put XN. So in this way, we are going to do the same similar calculation. We are going to calculate the sum, calculate the number we have, number of data we have, calculate the mean. Okay, let me do this one more time really quick.
Sum.
All the data. The number we have count. Let's use count, or we can also just key in 5. Okay. I think I select one more column. Let me see count. just select this 5, okay? Sometimes you may select this by mistake.
Mm-hmm.
So we only have 5 data, then we calculate the mean equal to the sum divided by n, okay? But you don't put any number here because we haven't really get to the standard deviation yet, okay? To take the deviation, actually this is the absolute value of deviation, okay? Same way I will say, okay? I think I won't do this another time, just same way, okay, let me do this one more time. Take the absolute value, you should choose the difference, absolute value, the deviation is difference between the value and its mean, here, okay? Then you have to fix this, use a dollar sign, because they all have the same mean. They have the same mean value, right? Okay, then you drag along, you will have the right result, okay? Then you need to calculate the sum also, calculate the sum. Okay, these are all the repeated steps as I introduced before, okay, so I will do this very quick. Just key in 5, that's fine. Okay, then mean value, use the sum divided by the number. That's the mean value. Okay, then you calculate the square. Calculate the square for the number you have here. Then you can drag along because just to write itself. Then you take the sum. Enter. Okay, here you need to take note. To calculate the standard deviation for these 5 data, which equation you need to use for standard deviation? N minus 1. N minus 1.
Because less than 20.
Less than 20, because we only have 5 data here. So this table is to compare across the 5 boats. We only have 5 data, 5 mean value here. So here we put 4, okay, because we want to use the summation divided by the n minus 1, okay? Then eventually you get a square root. You need to use square root to get the standard deviation value. Okay? So all table done so far?
Mm-hmm.
So now we are in step 9 already. So after this table, we finish step 9.